Ashwagandha, the ancient herb with modern benefits. Ashwagandha, Winthrenia somnifera, also known as Indian ginseng or winter cherry, it's a powerful adaptogenic herb medicine which is widely used in Ayurveda, the traditional system of medicine in India. Now, this ancient herb has gained immense popularity in modern wellness because of its ability to reduce stress, enhance cognitive function, boost your energy, and support overall well being. Now, let's explore the origin, benefits, uses, and the potential side effects of ashwagandha in detail. Origins and the traditional use. Ashwagandha has been used for over 3000 years in Ayurvedic medicine to rejuvenate the body and mind. The name ashwagandha is derived from the Sanskrit word meaning smell of a horse, referring to both its strong aroma and its ability to impart strength and vitality, much like a horse. Let's discuss about in Ayurveda, ashwagandha is classified as a rasayan, which means it helps in longevity, rejuvenation, and overall health. Traditionally, it has been used to reduce stress and anxiety, improve your stamina and energy levels, enhance the cognitive function, strengthen the immune system, and promote better sleep, as well as improve reproductive health in both men and women. The key benefits of ashwagandha that are reduce stress and anxiety. One of the main and the most well-known benefits of ashwagandha is its ability to combat stress and anxiety. As an adaptogen, it helps the body to adapt to physical and mental stresses. Studies show that ashwagandha reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, leading to lower stress levels and improve mental well-being. It has been found to be effective in reducing symptoms of anxiety disorders and promoting a sense of calmness. Number two is the scientific evidence of that. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology found that ashwagandha significantly reduced stress and anxiety in individuals compared to a placebo group. Another is the enhance of your brain function and memory. Ashwagandha is known to support brain function and improve cognitive functions such as memory, focus, and mental clarity. It helps to reduce oxidative stress in the brain, which is linked to cognitive decline. Studies suggest that it may improve memory and attention span, making it beneficial for students and professionals. It also helps in neuroprotection and may useful in preventive neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson disease. The scientific evidence is a study in the Journal of Dietary Supplements showed that ashwagandha supplementation improved immediate and journal memory in individuals with mild cognitive impairment. The benefits include boost your energy and reduce fatigue as well. It is commonly used as a natural energy booster. It enhances mitochondrial function, which helps in improving energy production at the cellular level. It is beneficial for individuals suffering from chronic fatigue syndrome. Athletes use it to improve their stamina, endurance, and muscle recovery. Improves your reproductive health in both men and women. Ashwagandha has been traditionally used to enhance fertility and hormonal imbalance. For men, boost their testosterone level and improve the sperm quality and motility, enhance libido and sexual performance, reduce stress, induce erectile dysfunction also. For women, help balance hormones, making it beneficial for conditions like PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, reduce cortisol, which helps maintain a healthy menstrual cycle, support postmenopausal health by improving mood and energy levels as well. Regulate blood sugar levels. Ashwagandha has been found to have anti-diabetic properties by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the blood sugar levels. It helps lower your fasting of your blood sugar and post-meal glucose spikes. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that ashwagandha improved insulin secretion and sensitivity in diabetic patients. Now it also helps in muscle growth and strength. Ashwagandha is popular among the bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts due to the muscle enhancing properties. It helps in muscle recovery and reduce exercise induced muscle damage. Research show that it increases muscle mass and strength, make it an excellent supplement for athletes. Another is the key benefits of ashwagandha has anti-cancer properties as well. That means preliminary research suggests that ashwagandha help in preventing treating certain types of cancer. Study shows it induce apoptosis cell death in the cancer cells. It inhibits the growth of tumors and reduces the spread of cancer cells. Some research suggests its effectiveness in breast, lung, colon, and ovarian cancers. Now, how you can take the ashwagandha? It's available in different forms. You can go for powder churn, which you can mix with warm milk or water. You can go with capsules or tablets, convenient for daily supplementation. You can go with liquid extract, tin culture, which is a fast absorption and easy to consume. Now, recommended dosage include for stress relief 300 to 600 mg per day, for cognitive function 250 to 500 mg per day, for muscle growth around 500 to 1250 mg per day, and for sleep improvement 250 to 600 per day. Although ashwagandha is generally safe, some people may experience a little bit of potential side effects and precautions as well, which they can take care of it as well. And who should avoid ashwagandha? Pregnant and breastfeeding women, people with autoimmune diseases like lupus or rheumatoid arthritis, individuals taking sedatives or thyroid medications. Now, it is a time tested herbal remedy that offers numerous health benefits from reducing your stress to anxiety and improving your brain function as well, immunity and muscle strength. Modern research continues to validate its traditional uses, making it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. So, if you are looking for a natural way to boost your health and enhance your cognitive function as well and improve overall well being, ashwagandha could be the perfect herbal supplement for you. However, always consult a healthcare provider before incorporating it into your routine so that you can avoid any repercussions that might could occur. So would you like help choosing the right ashwagandha supplement for your needs? Watch this video and thanks for watching the video and for your support as well, and watch other videos as well. Subscribe to this channel and do like to this video as well.